Sharon Jones, IICA's Technical Specialist for St. Kitts and Nevis Delegation. We are here today on a two-day workshop on rabbit cage making with the Rabbit Association and the Department of Agriculture. So it's really a collaborative initiative. This project really came through during COVID, when the Department of Agriculture had identified that food insecurity would have been a problem, and they had asked IICA to assist, and we had given out 2 rabbits to each to householders, in need households. And following up on that, we now are doing cage making, because we realized that a lot of the participants did not have proper cages for their rabbits. And it's really been a pleasure working with them. I must say the association, the Department of Agriculture and IICA have collaborated very well, and the participants are very happy with the outcome.
My name is Mr. Jonaldo Gilbert, representing the Department of Agriculture, the one responsible for rabbits. Now, this morning we're having a rabbit cage building workshop where we have a number of farmers from around the island come to the department to actually learn how to construct rabbit cages. As we can see here, we have a perfect example, or a model, of how one of the cages is supposed to look. The cage is built, we have the feeders, we have the waterers, but this is a small cage actually, because the one that they're building will be 36 by 24. We have to thank IICA for its continued support towards agriculture here in the country, especially to the rabbit farmers. Those are ones that are encouraging farmers to actually farm a crop, so we can actually further rabbit production here in our country. So we can, in terms of exportation, and at the same time to get the rabbit meat on their shelf. Because remember, rabbit meat is high in protein, low in cholesterol, and also it's a lean product.
We at the Rabbitry Association, we would like to give a big shout out to IICA for their assistance. They actually gave us rabbits in the past, and now they are assisting us in the cage building, and we really appreciate it, as most of us are not able to acquire the materials, such as the wire and the pliers and stuff like that. So we are very grateful.
My name is Vida Otto-Mitcham. On behalf of IICA and the Rabbit Corp, I would like to say thanks for teaching us how to build a rabbit cage. This is my first time building a rabbit cage this way. I've tried doing it before, but just with boards and nails. So I'm happy, and I appreciate all who put their input into it. I would like to say thanks again to IICA and the Rabbit Corp Association for having us.